Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
For the dollar yen, for some reason, even though dollar denominated pairs have been going up against the dollar, it seems like anything that is denominated against the yen having some crazy upside, and I think this has got to do with the bond use in the yen. So we've been trying to short this thing since forever. Last week we said that if it breaks this, we're going to go up on the retest. It didn't form much of a retest here, and this retest down to this top of the channel is still in play. However, we think yen pairs will continue to be bullish in the coming weeks or days at least. So for the dollar yen, we are looking for like early next week for price to come down a little bit, right? Come down a little bit, test this green line, right? And then go back up. And when it's going back up, it's when we will need to make a decision, right? If it breaks up, it's likely to be going up, but we don't leave out the possibility of a fake out to the downside, right? So if we enter on a short, we leave it to two bullets, right? So one, on the retrace upwards, we'll take this as a point, a stop loss. If it breaks it, we re-enter another time if there's a fake out and then price dumps, right? So either way, if it dumps, we're going to catch either one of those trades will enter, right? And we ride it all the way down here, right? Now for the bull case, if this all-time high fails to hold and it is no fake out, there's conviction by the bulls, then I think we will see you guys at 117. Yeah, so this point is really a crossroads. We're at a crossroads for the dollar yen to see what will happen next for it.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.